Right then, welcome to another video help sheet, and this time it's on adding a hit counter to your website. Hit counters are great things because it tells you how popular your site is and how many people have visited it. Now you can see from my page, I've written in the words add counter because this is where I want my counter to go. So how do you go about adding in a counter? Well, it's actually quite easy. Simply go to Google and type in something like free hit counter. And you want to be looking for a site that pretty much says it's free and normally you don't have to register. I quite like this one here, free counter stat. There are other ones you can choose from. Here it is. Let's scroll down and have a look. So I've got a choice of different counters. These are quite nice. I quite like this one here, the sort of rocket ship, so let's tick it. And normally you're taken to some sort of template or generator that you have to fill out bits to. So location, yes. Category of my site, well, I just put down the internet. I can choose how many digits I have. Well, let's be ambitious. Let's keep 4. I can start it on a different number other than 0. I can choose the standard layout, or in this case I could have it looking differently like this. And I guess I could change the colors. I'm quite happy with the standard. Scroll down a bit more. I can choose a hit counter or a visitor counter. I can make my stats public or private. I'm going to go for hit counter, and I think I'm going to keep my stats private. Press submit. And normally what should happen next is you should get some code to copy. And you've got 2 sorts of code here. One says no JavaScript, so no statistics. And one says this. So I'm going to copy this link like this. And then I'm going to go into my website. I'm going to go and replace my add counter bit like this with the code. Now let's just save it and go back and have a look at the site. There you go. It's got the words hit counter and my link. Now I could get rid of this word because actually this has got a link back to the site. If I simply click on Sublime Text and this feature here, I could actually remove. So I could remove all of that there because it's just an advert link. If I save it and go back to my site and refresh, there you go. I've got my counter there. I could add in my own words, and you can see that already, because I've refreshed my page, it looks as though 4 people have looked at it. So that's how to make a hit counter.